Hello friends, good evening. My name is Rakesh and this is my third video of 75 days hard challenge for English speaking. I am fine and hope you are doing well. Today's subject is how to speak English fluently. How to improve English speaking. Today I brought a article which is published in Times of India today. It is the story of a rural ladies which has a channel name English with Deyati Ma'am. I am showing this is the article English Winglish Rural UP style from a Doti Deyati Ma'am. How Kosami women become a star YouTuber with a steady income teaching spoken English. This article covers her entire life, her struggling in life, how he improved her communication, how she improved his speaking skill, and how she learned English very well. This is the full article. I personally visited this her channel. She is very good tutor and public speaker. She always covers the topic like as how to speak English, and firstly she covered like her journey. She is very poor. She belongs to a poor family and her husband is a laborer. One day her husband got an accident and paralyzed and become disabled. After that she thought about this idea and started this journey. She has completed around 3 lakh subscribers on her channel and she covers many communications video and conversation between other people, and she also cover grammar video. So it is a moral story for us. It is motivated that a lady who is only 12th pass can become a good public speaker, good teacher on online platform, then why we cannot do? In initially starting time, everyone facing very difficulties in every work which is new for him or her, but after some days it will automatically improve. And I started this challenge. I also started this channel challenge for this purpose. I want my English speaking fluency. I want a good speaker. I want a good in English language. That's why I started this. Hope today's article is very beneficial for you. Please motivate himself, as it is very compulsory to do any new things. Today, when I opened this newspaper, then I found that I usually watch her video, and today I found in this article in the newspaper, which is a famous newspaper, Times of India, and there is a big article about her. It is a motivational thing for us. I personally request you to learn something new on daily basis. This is my third day of speak in front of the camera, and I realized that I improve little bit. On daily basis, I will make these types of video and upload on YouTube, so that you people can see and enjoy, and if any suggestion correct, then you can correct me. You can drop a message in comment box, so that I will improve that things. I am not a good in English, but in speaking, but I read, I understand the meanings of all things, and vocabulary is also good, but during speaking I hesitate, so that I feel that I make this type of video. Second thing, please buy a newspaper which is around English newspaper, which is around 240 to 50 per month, and it is very beneficial for us, as it contain more information, more vocabulary, more sentences, and general knowledge also. It covers international, national, even regional or district level and village level, all types of things it covers. So it is my personal opinion that everyone should buy a newspaper. It is around 200 to 250 for a month, and it is not a big thing. Everyone can manage this, and it is also help to improve ourselves as much as our surrounding, like as children or any other family members and friends. If you carry a newspaper in your office, in your office workplace, then as well as you and other person also can read the newspaper. I usually purchase. I bought earlier in Hindi newspaper, but nowadays before 2 months I started the English newspaper, and it is very good to new meanings and sentence making, daily use sentences and sentence making, and general knowledge, financial, business news, or any other news which in sports news it covers. So it is my personal opinion. You can buy a newspaper and improve your vocabulary, your English speaking, and you can make a good English environment at your home, at your office, or in your society. So it is my third day video, and hope you uh, you are enjoying this video, and I hope it will be beneficial for you people. I already told, if you have any suggestion, then comment me. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.